Copart manages the physical weight of the automotive lifecycle, acquiring and repairing wrecked vehicles at a massive industrial scale. Currently, processing a single vehicle takes a full week. Every day that car sits idle in the yard represents trapped working capital and mounting inventory carrying costs. Leadership has issued a mandate to compress this 7-day lifecycle down to 72 hours. Eliminating those 4 days of dead time serves as the primary financial lever for recovering millions in lost capital. To reach that 72-hour mark, companies have historically invested in massive legacy systems like SAP, Oracle, and Blue Yonder. These legacy systems have a structural flaw: departmental silos. Real-time marketing data bounces off supply chain walls, leaving finance blind. A single human planner remains stuck in the middle, attempting to reconcile these fragmented metrics. Manual correlation lacks the speed and precision required for modern inventory positioning. By the time a person can synthesize reports from 4 different departments, the window to optimize the vehicle's path has already closed. Possessing vast amounts of data without an automated way to act on it creates an operational vacuum, a problem legacy software cannot solve. Transitioning to inventory autonomy requires a full-stack agentic AI ecosystem: Gemini Enterprise, BigQuery, and Vertex AI. BigQuery acts as the foundation, pulling metrics into a unified plane. Vertex AI sits above, identifying patterns to project shortages before they manifest. Gemini Enterprise provides the reasoning layer, making autonomous decisions and attaching a logical receipt to every choice. Ultimately, this 3-tiered architecture transforms a static database into a sentient supply chain capable of independent, cross-functional reasoning. Adopting this technology does not require discarding existing investments. The AI stack coexists with legacy software, sitting directly on top of it as an intelligence layer that directs the systems underneath. This follows the model of modern orchestration platforms like Uber. They didn't pave new roads or build cars. They created an intelligent layer to direct existing infrastructure with perfect efficiency. The AI stack functions as the brain directing the older software muscle, extracting value from technical debt rather than replacing it. When a wrecked car enters the yard under this sentient architecture, the physical movement becomes completely frictionless from end to end. The system instantly correlates parts availability, labor schedules, and auction demand. The time to fix and prep the vehicle drops from 7 days to 72 hours. Every day saved per vehicle reduces carrying costs and increases inventory turn days. Scaling these micro-savings across thousands of vehicles monthly creates a compounding effect. Rolled up over a year, working capital reduction totals $158 million. Financial transformation at this scale results from the compounding mathematical impact of thousands of autonomous decisions, made with higher precision than any human manual process. This architectural shift merges information and operational technology into a single, cohesive system. The result is a supply chain that continuously learns from its own environment and improves its own performance metrics without manual intervention. For the supply chain VP, the role evolves. They transition from a reactive crisis manager into a super planner, overseeing an intelligent, self-correcting network. Adopting agentic AI is now the baseline for competing in an era where supply chains think for themselves.